Filled hardware holes still showing through your painted finish?
I've filled a lot of hardware holes over the years and tried a lot of different products, and this process is the one that consistently leaves no trace of what was there before. First, I fill the holes with Bondo. Bondo is one of my favorite products for this because it dries quickly and sands really nicely. Once the Bondo has started to firm up but isn't completely dry, I scrape it back, and then I apply Famo wood filler over top. Once the wood filler is dry, I go back and sand the drawers smooth. And for the final little imperfections, I use a bit of Bondo spot putty. Once that dries, I hand sand those spots smooth and wipe everything down so the surfaces are clean and ready for the next step. And sealing with shellac is actually the final step to these perfectly smooth filled hardware holes. If you'd like the full list of tools and products I used, you can find them in the description below.